Valvoline Drag Rivals is sponsored by
We did 3 passes today.
Yeah.
On the 3rd pass, we were able to secure back the record and bring it back to Jamaica. It was
Awesome.
at Antigua. So we took it back home for us.
Okay, cool. 9-3.
Yeah, achieve it without a wheelie bar. We did it on nitrometane though, we're not going to lie. We're hoping we're a little bit faster tomorrow.
Yeah.
The tune us and see when we can possibly get a 9-1 out of it.
Okay.
And then from there we'll pop the nitrometane mix and see where it lands after that.
Really beautiful all motor that just secured back the record for Jamaica. Antigua took it from us and we took it back. Alright, so
I just prepping the car for tomorrow.
Prepping it for tomorrow, so you don't intend to go back out tonight?
No.
Okay.
It wouldn't make any sense. I wouldn't have any grip on our wet track.
Yeah, with the slicks. Cool.
Hopefully I make it through the roads.
Yeah.
So I can get everything fast.
Onair, it's been in the making.
Yes.
You literally drove away with the record.
Yes.
All right. So, yeah.
Go ahead.
Which record is it, first of all?
I think we have the fastest mile per hour as an all motor.
Yeah.
149.5.
Wow.
And
that's one record.
Yeah, and I think quickest as a front wheel drive to the 330.
Yes.
6.9.
Whoa, another record.
Yeah, I'm not sure about the 60 foot, but we did a 1.4 with 60 foot.
Whoa.
Yeah. And
front wheel drive.
Yeah, because that's just before the rain came down. So it was actually already drizzling.
Whoa.
But I was hoping to go at least like a 9.0 thereabout.
But you move the all motor record,
yeah,
which we're standing from 2017-18, I think. Somewhere about there. I mean, it's really awesome to see.
I mean, not to step on anybody's toe, but
yes,
without a wheel bar.
Boy, hey, Onair, boy, without a wheelie bar.
Yeah.
All right. I think I see where you're going with it. But you know, congrats, really and truly. I know it's a lot of dedication, as your car is easily one of the crowd favorite. I mean, even on the live stream, people love how clean. It's definitely one of the cleanest cars we have here racing in Jamaica.
Together,
trust me. You broke the record in a time of 9.37.
And then I reset it today.
You reset it?
Yeah.
With a time of
9.2.
9.2.
Right.
Straight up, are you on the edge or there's more?
Alright, to be honest, we're just gonna turn it up with a little mix.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna mix it up, you know. Get the little more spice, you know.
Okay.
But, the weather come, man.
Yeah.
I think on that pass, if we have a drier track,
Yeah.
would have probably do 9.1. With ease. Because up top, because they had come to me and asked me, you sure you want to run? I was like, yeah, because the rain coming, this is the only time I get a pass.
Right.
And up top it feel a little bit weird. You know?
Yeah.
Darting a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, you'll see it on the video. Yeah.
There has some more in it.
So,
I mean, there's so many OEM parts I'm still under that could have gone to.
Yeah.
Make some more power.
Okay.
Sean from P2R, instead of a whole bunch of stuff we're supposed to just like, not really make more power, but reduce the parasitic loss.
Okay.
So in essence, at the wheels, I'll have more power to use.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, that's when my parts come in. We'll see you guys next meet. And hopefully I will be able to take the world record for J-Series.
Which is currently?
915, I think it is.
That's the world record?
Yeah.
And you're at 9.2?
Yeah.
Wow.
And if you could almost move it to them.
Wow.
Yeah, if the rain just hold up, would I probably get it to them.
J-Series all motor record,
Yes.
9.1 and you're at 9.2.
Yes.
Wow.
I mean, we win, if you want to split here's, we win 0.4 of a second from the record.
Wow.
When splitting here's.
All right, so for 2025, how is it looking? I mean,
once I can afford the parts, the new engine, because a lot of people they keep forgetting it's not an all-motor engine in the car.
okay.
The engine was spec for nitrous the whole time.
Okay.
So as soon as we get to do a full all-motor build, that Sean from P2R is doing for me,
Okay.
right? The heads are done already. We should make a lot more power.
All
I
right.
mean, a lot more.
All right. Onair, always.
Let's say again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everybody. I'm gonna thank everybody for the support. Yo, my inbox look crazy. I'm gonna get back to you right now. Just give me a minute for rest.
Yeah.
Inbox is crazy, and then everybody that message me and something that congratulate me.
The man of the moment. Onair.
Is it right?
One love. Wait, I want one. Wait. All right.
76 streets. Yeah.
Big up here, man. Onair. One love.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.